Howdy, folks. It's Jeff Camarda. It's Monday, June 15th. And just a couple of housekeeping issues. Remember that videos this week will be intermittent. I'll try to get them out regularly, but we'll be away for a couple of days on the boat. I expect to have good cell router signal, so I'll be able to connect and disseminate the videos. But if not, please be understanding. Second thing is we do have an estate planning workshop scheduled for next week, and which I think you'll find enormously beneficial. This is being sponsored by Taxmaster. Next Tuesday, 8 days from today at 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. You should have received an email invitation. We encourage you to register. You got to hit the link and register, and also to pass it on to your friends, your colleagues, your relatives, your neighbors. They will need the link so they can register, but I think they'll find the information enormously beneficial. And again, this is free, no sales, no commitment, no obligation, no pressure. So we hope that you will think of them and invite them to attend. I think you and they will get an awful lot out of it. So here's, and I'll switch back to my glasses and my paper notes in a moment. But the events over the weekend, obviously, you know, the police and racial tension continues to simmer and boil over a bit with recent events in California and Atlanta. But I think the main economic news is the fact that coronavirus cases continue to increase. It looks like the numbers are up big time in Florida, Arizona, and Texas, I think, and exacerbated by people not following safe social distancing protocols and also the opening of the economy and so forth. And that's not just here in the U.S., but worldwide. Even in China, Beijing had a number of cases and shut down parts of the city. So as a result of that and the specter of revisited economic shutdowns, global markets really tumbled in Asia and in Europe, and I think the Dow was down as much as 600-700 points today before, and largely reversed and came out pretty close to break even. But on the remarkable news that the Fed is going to be buying individual corporate bonds, which is an enormous shot of liquidity in those markets and a huge sign that they will do anything to protect the economy, and that really is good. I think there are going to be some pretty dark ramifications down the road, but it certainly is gratifying to see that the Fed is going to do whatever it takes. What does that mean, though? Probably crazy prices. Certainly buying bonds drives interest rate down, which is what the objective is, I suppose, and it's kind of like half-arsed insurance on the prices of bonds, because otherwise, the free market often will let them go down to very low levels or to zero. But if the Fed steps in, the kind of all bets are off. So that's interesting. I'm still not sure it's going to be enough to avoid another significant correction or extension of the bear market, but we will see. It certainly is good news that we will do whatever it takes to get through this. And again, remember, in the end, we will get through this. I'm confident that our investment strategy will come out, will both protect you and have you come out profitably in the end. The economy will heal. The world, the human race will get through this. The most important thing is to be safe and make sure those you love are safe, and don't gamble with your health, because you lose that or you lose your life, the rest of it doesn't matter very much, right? So on that somewhat somber note, this is Dr. Jeff Camarda signing out for this Monday evening, June 15th, and until videos from the boat, I wish you all well. Thank you.